Here's Lewis again on December 2nd, 2006. In the morning, he's getting ready to go down for his nap again, but we're getting some last minute play in. He's decked out in his Army gear for the Army-Navy game today. And he loves to play with Nana's desk. Lewis! Lewis! Yesterday he smushed his fingers in one of the drawers, but that doesn't seem to be stopping him today. Yeah, see, this is the drawer he smushed his fingers in. Say hi. Hi, Dada. Lewis. Hey, you. Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? Lewis, what's that? What's that? What is that? Yeah, is that a kitty? Can you give it a kiss? He doesn't want to. I wanted you to see him attack an animal again. You haven't seen that in a while. What's that? What's that? Well, this isn't that exciting. We'll try again later.